In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete your browsing history on the Temu platform. If you've ever wanted a more streamlined and secure online experience by clearing out some of your digital traces, this guide is just for you. This process is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring you can follow along without any hassle. Let's start by navigating to the Temu website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or searching for Temu in your preferred search engine. Once you've reached the Temu homepage, you'll notice that there are several options available, but today we're mainly focusing on accessing and managing our profile details. Now for the next step, move your cursor towards the profile icon. The profile section is typically located in the top right corner of the web page. Once there, you should see a variety of options related to your account. One of these options is your browsing history. It's crucial to know that your browsing history includes all the items and pages you've viewed while using Temu. Over time, this list can become extensive, and occasionally you may want to declutter it for privacy reasons or to start fresh. Once you click into browsing history, you'll be presented with a list of all the items you've browsed through on the platform. This list is a great way to revisit products you might still be interested in or didn't get a chance to purchase. However, for today's purpose, we're focusing on how to delete these entries. Each item on this list will have a set of 3 dots next to it. This is your menu for options regarding each specific entry. To delete an item from your history, simply click on these 3 dots. You'll see a small menu pop up with different choices. One of these options is Delete. Select the Delete option, and just like that, the item is removed from your browsing history. It's as easy as a click and can be done for as many items as you wish to remove from the list. This functionality not only helps keep things organized, but also enhances your privacy by allowing you to maintain control over what data is retained by the platform. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully managed to navigate through Temu's online interface and deleted unwanted items from your browsing history. Congratulations on taking steps towards a more organized and personalized online experience. Remember, you can revisit these steps anytime you feel the need to clear your browsing history, ensuring a clutter-free and secure digital presence. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips to enhance your online journeys. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide useful. See you in the next video.